Cast Vicki Vale, then age 36 years, now age 68 years. Real name Kim Basinger. Cast Carl Garrison, then age 70 years, died in 2006. Real name Jack Balance. Cast Commissioner Gordon, then age 65 years, died in 2009. Real name Pat Hingle. Cast Batman, then age 38 years, now age 70 years. Real name Michael Keaton. Cast Alfred, then age 73 years, died in 2011. Real name Michael Goff. Cast Alexander Knox, then age 38 years, now age 70 years. Real name Robert Wuhl. Cast Bob the Goon, then age 42 years, now age 74 years. Real name Tracy Walter. Cast the Mayor, then age 59 years, died in 2020. Real name Lee Wallace. Cast Lieutenant Max, then age 41 years, died in 2005. Real name William Hootkins. Cast Terrence, then age 39 years, now age 71 years. Real name Terry Plummer. Cast Alicia Hunt, then age 33 years, now age 65 years. Real name Jerry Hall. Cast Star Joker, then age 37 years, now age 70 years. Real name Richard Strange. Cast Moon, then aged 52 years. Died in 2011. Real name Mac McDonald. Cast Nick. Then aged 36 years. Now aged 68 years. Real name Christopher Fairbank. Cast Liar. Then aged 31 years. Now aged 63 years. Real name Sam Douglas. Cast Bob the cartoonist. Then aged 47 years. Now aged 79 years. Real name Dennis Lill. Cast Dad. Then aged 49 years. Now aged 81 years. Real name Garrick Hagan. Cast Scientist. Then aged 71 years. Died in 1997. Real name Michael Balfour. Cast the Joker. Then aged 52 years. Now aged 84 years. Real name Jack Nicholson. Cast Anchorman. Then aged 42 years. Now aged 74 years. Real name Bruce McGuire. Thanks for watching.